Hello and welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade and today we will create a Shrimpy account. With Shrimpy, you can link your Binance, KuCoin, or other top exchanges all in one place and completely for free. You can then create an automated trading strategy and track your portfolio's performance over time. From the Shrimpy login page, we will select Sign Up. We enter our first and last name, email, and password. If we have a referral code, we enter it here. We cannot add a referral code after an account has been created. Next, we certify that we are at least 18 years of age and agree to the terms of service. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Sign Up. After verifying our email address, we now have a Shrimpy account. First, we'll go to Settings and then General. Here we can select our display currency. On the Billing tab, we can see the subscription tiers that are available and the price if we pay monthly or annually. Our account is currently on the 0 tier. This means that there is no monthly subscription cost associated with our account, but we can only link one exchange account and automate one portfolio. To link our first exchange account, go to the Accounts tab. Select Link Exchange and then select Binance US. This is the information we need to get from our exchange. Now we'll go to Binance US. Log into Binance US and go to API Management. Enter a name for the API keys and select Create. Complete the verification steps to create your API keys. Our API keys have now been created. Select Edit Restrictions to enable Can Read and enable Spot Trading. Shrimpy does not need withdrawal permission. Make sure to store the secret key in a safe place. After saving the permissions for the keys, it will not populate again. Without this, we cannot update our keys in Shrimpy if needed at a later time. Save the changes. Now we'll copy and paste the API key and secret into Shrimpy. Select Save. Our exchange has now been added. Binance US requires that all API keys be whitelisted within 30 days of creating them, or they will disable the keys. Make sure to check out our tutorial for whitelisting after the video. Going to the dashboard, we can see the funds we hold on the exchange. We can now create the automation to run on our portfolio. Go to the Automation tab and select Create Automation. Then select Pick Assets. We can click Select Assets and choose the assets to include in the automation. These are the assets that will be purchased when we start the automation. Or we can choose to allocate from the balances we currently hold. Choose how much of each asset to hold in the portfolio. The total allocation must be 100%. Then, choose if we want to rebalance once per day or never. Selecting never means our portfolio will not rebalance unless we manually do so. Now, select Save. Select Start Automation and choose our portfolio. If we check this box, as soon as we save the automation, all of the assets in our portfolio will be rebalanced to the target allocations. It is important to note that this will use all of the funds currently held in the portfolio. If we don't check the box, the portfolio will not rebalance until the scheduled rebalance is triggered. We now have an active automation running on our portfolio. If we want to link more exchange accounts or wallets, or add more portfolios, we can upgrade our subscription at any time by going to Settings and then the Billing tab. Select the subscription tier that best suits our needs. Then enter our payment information. Shrimpy subscriptions are recurring, so this payment method will be charged every billing cycle unless we cancel the subscription. We can change our payment method at any time in the payment information box. If you have any further questions about creating your account, please reach out to our lovely support staff at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help resolve any issues you may have.